Hi, my name is Karan Ramdu, and this tutorial is based on linking MySQL Server 2008 to Microsoft Access 2007. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is select SQL Server 2008 R2, open up SQL Server Management Studio. Now I already have my server name inputted here, so I'm just gonna select connect. Now I don't have any databases created right now, so what I'm going to do is select right click on databases and select new database, and I will name it student info and select OK. Right, so you see it appear here. Now there's no tables, so what we're gonna do now is right click on tables, select new table. Now I'm going to create the various columns that I want to have in my table. So I will start with, okay, so basically information on students. So obviously I'll have the student's first name, last name, ID, and finally let's say the fee for the semester. Right, now just gonna change the data type from first name to text. So last name, ID, you can leave it like that, and fee you can change it to like money. Yeah, right, money. Now just gonna set my primary key. You have to set your primary key in order to basically edit your information in Access, and it's very important. So right click here and select save table. Name table, name it, same thing. Select OK. Right. Now if you just select here, you will see that how the table is created, but now I have to edit the various columns. So I will select edit top 200 rows. Right, so first name, I'll put my name, Karan Ramdu. ID, that's P1. The next names, let's say Gabi, as well. Copy, should appear a little more than me, so I just put that. I don't feel like that. Alright, so now that the table is created, just close this off. Close this off and open up Microsoft Access 2007. Now you have to open up Access in administrator mode. I already went on properties and set it to open up in administrator mode, so I don't need to do that right now. Right, sometimes when some people want to right click, they get that option, but I have to go into properties and security compatibility, and here run this program as an administrator, and I already selected it already, so I don't have to do it again. So okay, so blank database, file name, what's this? Information. Right? Create. I had one already, so I'm just gonna replace it. Right, now we're just gonna close off this table because we're not using it. Select external database, then you would just go down to more, scroll along, select ODBC database. Select link to the data source, select OK, machine data source, new, system data source, next, scroll along, select SQL Server, see the driver you'll be using, select next, finish. What name do you want to use to refer to the database data source? Students. Let's say students. Right, server. Now Crystal PC is not the name of the server, so I just want to edit it a little bit. So SQL X. This is the name of the server. Student. What data? Something different. Right. That sounds better. Select next. Change the data report database to not using master, so select as a student info, which is what I created on the SQL server. Select next. Leave this as is, so you don't need to change the language because test data source, test completed successfully. Select OK. Select OK now. These are the various data source names that are used. So I'll try to get something different this time. So student data, right? Select OK. Select dbo.studentinfo again, and then select OK. Right, now as you see here, you see in the world here, so you just right click, link table manager, just put a little check here, select OK, select OK again, close, double click, and there you can see we have successfully linked Microsoft Access 2007 to SQL Server, and I can just edit the table, add some information. So let's add something. JSON Smith. Its ID is and Jason is very unlucky. He has to pay a whole $500 this semester. Sorry, Jason. Okay, now let's head back to SQL Server and see if the changes were made. Open up SQL Server. Right. I'm gonna go on the student info table. Right click. Select top 1000 rows. And you see, there's Jason Smith. Wait, I spelled Smith wrong, but whatever. So Jason Smith, $500. Minimize again. Let's go back to Access. So basically, I updated the information on Microsoft Access 2007, and is automatically updated in SQL Server Jason Smith 794. So thank you. We have successfully linked access to Microsoft Access 2007 to SQL Server 2008, and thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.